All right, man. Thanks for tuning in, man. Like and subscribe, please. I got an Easy Go gas car here. And share and comment as well, man. Like, share, and comment. It makes the video post more. Everybody can see it. Got an Easy Go gas car here. TXT. When you hit the gas, you can hear the solenoid clicking, but the car don't run. Just take your hammer. Just tap the starter right here. You see now it runs. Eventually it'll do it again. But if you watch my other videos, man, I have some more videos how to take the starter off and rebuild it. 9 out of 10 times, one brush wears out. All right, man, I appreciate you watching, man. Like and subscribe, man. I appreciate all the watching and views I'm getting. Thank y'all.